Hi everyone, this is Vanessa from the Wreath Coach. We share gardening tips, seasonal decor, and seasonal recipes, so make sure to follow along. You can also check out our work on Instagram and Facebook at the Wreath Coach. It's the fall season here in Ontario, Canada, and we are putting our garden to bed. We are pruning, we are getting everything ready for the winter, and our lavender plants are about 3 years old now, and they had just flowered like crazy. So we decided to prune everything down and save them, and we are going to make some lavender vinegar. And the lavender vinegar is great because you can use it for cleaning around the house. We use it for fabric softeners. You can use it for hair rinses, recipes as well, like salad dressing. Really simple process. All you need is your lavender. This is the whole stem, but we're just going to use the top of it, so we're going to take all of the little buds off of all of our stems. And then you need some white vinegar. We use 10% vinegar. This can be used for cleaning or for cooking or recipes. And then you need a bottle that you can put it all into so that it can just stay and mix together. We harvested our lavender plants about a week ago. We just let them dry. This just helps them come off of the stem a little bit easier. You can do it fresh, but you get a bit of a deeper flavor and deeper fragrance when you just let them sort of dry out a bit. So if you want to do that, let them sit for about a week, and then you can start taking all of your pods off of the stem. Once your lavender is dry and you're ready to go ahead and take your pods off, I would recommend getting some gloves just so that it doesn't hurt your fingers. And you're just going to sort of twist your fingers around on the end of the stem, and everything will fall into a bowl. You don't have to worry too much if all of the pods don't come off and maybe you get some branches in your bowl. At the very end, you're going to use some cheesecloth and strain it all out anyways. So just do the best you can, but you don't have to strain. Once your lavender pods are all ready to go, we're going to grab our vessel. In this case, we're going to use a mason jar. That way it's easy to store because you're going to want to put it away for about 4 to 6 weeks. And then we also have our 10% white vinegar, and we're just going to mix it all into our mason jar. I'm going to put the lavender in first, then it's a little bit easier to fill our vinegar after. So once our lavender is in there, we're just going to top it up with our vinegar. And really you don't need to measure for this. This is a concentration, so as much lavender as you want to put into here will just enhance the flavor, but it is going to sit for about 4 to 6 weeks, so it will get a lot of flavor into it. And then after, when you're making your cleaning products and your salad dressings, you're going to dilute it with water. And now that our mason jar is nice and full, we're going to just put the lid on it, and you can store this in a nice sunny spot, and every few days you just want to go and turn it upside down, shake it up, and let it sit. So we've had a jar sitting. We are going to strain it out today. All you need is a strainer, some cheesecloth, so that you make sure all the little buds are not going to end up in your final product. We have a old glass bottle, just from a wine bottle, so you can use anything you have laying around, upcycle whatever you have. We need a little funnel. So I like to just give the cheesecloth a little squeeze so you get all of the vinegar out. Now that you've strained it into the bottle, you've got to decide how you're going to use it. If you want to fill up the whole bottle or just leave it as half. We are going to use it as a cleaning product, so we want to dilute it with some water. If you want to use it as just a fabric softener, then you can fill the whole bottle up to the top and use it as is. These are great for gifts. Christmas is coming up, the holiday season is coming up, so if you want to put a little bow on it, give it to your friends and family, and everybody can enjoy some natural cleaner or recipes at home. Now that you've strained out your infusion, just be aware of how you want to use it. If you are going to use it as a fabric softener, then you can fill the bottle all the way to the top and use it as is. We're going to use it as a cleaner, so we've left some room so that we can dilute it with some water. This is a great little Christmas present idea, so if you get them all ready now, then you'll be all ready for the holiday season. Just throw a little bow on your bottle and all of your friends and family can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and you can follow us again on Facebook and Instagram at The Wreath Coach.